Okay, so this time we got the Snake Eye deck profile for Asian English format. Um, Photo Nightmare are just released. So and they also released this Bonfire, which is really important in main deck. But the problem with this Asian English format are in extra deck. So that's why for this example I need to put this jet synchron and FL engine because you don't have much option for extra deck, and these two are help you to something in your extra deck. Let's say this synchro engine with jet synchron, or this FL engine, Lars, Tulka, or maybe Lakia if you want. And I think I will talking more about this, but first I show you this combo example. First are let's say you opening with the Snake Eye S. Uh, of course you need to search Poplar, but different with GP, and you cannot do usual combo like GP. For example, in here I search this origin instead of field spell, because you cannot doing Promethean combo in this Asian English format, because you don't have an option for uh, link fire other than Promethean. So Promethean are actually really bad in this deck. And if you search field instead of this original sinful spoils, you cannot make a good board. You just end up with SP or up automation or something, and it's not really good. So you need to search this instead of this field spell. And for example, I summon Jet Synchron, and also because we still don't have Link Rebook or any Link One yet, so you cannot doing like Link Rebook first and triggering Poplar or something, and that's why you need to triple your Poplar for this Excel or S resolution, or you need to send it by this original sinful spoils. For example, like this, and Oak tributing this Jet Synchron to summon Flambug, and you can use Jet Synchron, summon Formula, get a one draw, and you can use Flambug, both Poplar or under Fire Monster. And then next you can summon Baron, because Flambug are level 8, and with Formula Synchron you can summon this Baron. Next with Flambug you can summon 2 monster from grave, and then next you summon Little Neck. It is first combo with Jet Synchron for original target, and you will end up with Baron plus SP Little Neck. And next with same starting hand, but this time we search FL engine instead of Jet Synchron. You can use the same combo, but this time you search this Mega Kirella, and with Mega Kirella, once again you need at least one card in hand to discard it with Mega Kirella or Jet Synchron. It's really important in this deck combo. And summon this Leos. And Leos, you can set this Singularity, and then summon Oak, Oak summon Poplar, and then you can use Leos, and that's why I have two Leos in my deck list, because you can do this combo, and you can summon either Tulka or Lagia. It's really important to have two other monster on the field, because if you only have one, you cannot use a Leos effect. And in opponent turn, you can use Singularity and summon this Lars. And this is as this combo are better than before because you have Tulka with 2 negates and Lars with 2 negate too. It is really good combo. And next turn you can like use Oak, maybe tributing either Tulka or Lars if they don't have exit material, and you can summon a flame from your deck, or stack AS from your deck. And next, it is 2 cards combo plus 1 random card. I think it is like a full combo with this deck. Let's say you have Diablo Star in starting hand, or maybe Wanted. Yeah, you can send this Poplar from the field and free summon this Diablo Star, and send Poplar, and this time I have Jet Synchron for example, and I summon Excel Synchron, and with Excel Synchron I can summon this Jet Synchron again, and then summon Oak, and Oak summon Poplar, Oak summon Flamberg by send Flamberg from the field, and then summon the other one. Flamberg triggering it effect, summon to level 1, and then summon Little Knight, use Jet Synchron, and summon a Formula Synchron, and get one draw, summon Baron, and you can put Diablo Star from your grave to your spell trap zone, or maybe you can put Formula if you want, but I think these Diablo Star are too much better because in opponent turn you can summon this by effect from field or Flamberg, and you can triggering this Diablo Star to set Wanted, because we don't have undergood level 10 I believe, and if you have it you can synchro with the formation con with Flamberg, and yeah it is similar like with Little Knight plus Baron in first combo, but you will end up with extra monster like Flamberg, Field Spell, and Diablo Star, which is really important for next combo. And this time is similar like before, but you search Evil Engine instead of Jet Synchron. You do the same thing as before, like this, send Poplar, summon on this level 1 Evolve, summon Leos and use Leos, use the second effect, and you can summon a Tulka right here, and use S by sending Flamberg to summon Oak, Oak summon Poplar, and Flamberg summon 2 under level 1, and then summon Flamberg, SP, and you can put Oak. You can put this Oak by a Flamberg, and in opponent turn you can summon this Lars like this. You have 4 negate 2 from Tulka, 2 from Lars, and Little Neck is Interruption, and you can summon this Oak in opponent turn to spell summon Snake Eye S from grave, and you can search another S or under level 1 fire monster. And back to this deck list. For Snake Eye Engine, 3 Snake Eye S, 2 Poplar, and 1 Oak plus 1 Birch is just a standard lineup or ratio for a Snake Eye monster. Include this 3 Diablo Star and 2 Flamebug, it is standard. 3 Bonfire standard, and this one original, or only one is needed. You can also try to use 1-for-1, but because like Jet Synchron and Mega Kiral is need something to discard, so 1-for-1 is not that good because we still have like 3 Bonfire right here. It is full power with Snake Eye S2, and Hand Trap 3S, 3 Maxi, 3 Valor, 3 Inform. It is a standard. If you want to put 1-for-1, you can just cut either a Valor or Inform, because Maxi and S Blossom is mandatory. 3 Call by the Grave, it's unlimited still in Asian English format. And for Evil Engine, I played 2 layers because, as you can see before my combo video, you need the second one USB if you want to summon this rank 4 monster, either Tulka or Lagia, and 1 Jet Synchron for Synchro Engine. And for extra deck, we don't have much choice, so that's why I put Synchro Engine and Evil Engine. For Synchro Engine, I have Formula Synchron. It's really easy to summon it because it's level 2, and you can make Baron with Flamebug, because Flamebug is level 8. You can really easy to summon Baron. And the other synchro are this Excel synchro is if you have Diablo Star plus Jet Synchron, or Savix. If you have Link monster in your grave, you can summon Savix, and you can summon your equip spell with a Flamebug. So it is why Savix is good in this Snake Eye deck, because you can use the equip spell for Snake Eye effect, or in opponent turn you can summon it with this fill spell. And next, for Link monster, I put this Artemis because I have Valor. It's the way you summon this are if you want to use or summon Selene. With Selene you can summon Valor and use Valor for this Artemis, and Artemis plus Selene you can summon Aphromax. So that's the idea about this Selene plus Artemis. Or sometimes you can use Artemis plus 1 other monster to summon SP Little Neck. SP Little Neck are mandatory to play at least 2 because we don't have much choice for Link monster, and Unicorn just in here. If you don't like Unicorn, you can play third SP Little Neck. Abomination is really easy to summon this. You only need 1 Link monster plus under monster to summon this. And Promethean, it's a bit hard actually, and to be honest, this card is really bad in this deck because you don't have Link Fire monster yet in Asian English format so far. So if you want to summon this, at least you have Snake KS or Oak that still not use it effect, who can send your card to grave to summon others from deck. So this card is hard to use in this deck, because if you summon this, you cannot summon your Synchro monster or underling monster because the restriction. You can still summon this Tulka or Lars because both are fire, but it's hard to summon under else. And I played one Tulka, one Lars. Lars is mandatory, Tulka are mandatory too. And if you want to put Lakia, you can change this Typhoon, or maybe you can change undercard with Typhoon too, with Lakia, I mean, because as I already show you, but this Laios, and if you don't really like, or if you I think in runic matchup is Lakia is too much better than Tulka. So yeah, I think you can change like something else in here with Lakia, maybe this Artemis. I think sometimes this card is not that good because the way you summon this are with this effect failure. Yeah, maybe if I want to make change, maybe I change this Artemis and Lakia, because Lakia is really important, I think, in runic matchup. And you also have a chance to summon this Herald Arc like with formula plus under 2 level 1, but I think it's still hard to summon this. Magician Souls are another option for extender for on this deck, but I think these builds are solid right now. If you want put under engine, you can change this failure or inform for under else, and everything I think it's fine and look solid. And yeah, I think that's it. If you have any question, you can comment below. Yeah, this deck is different with GP because the combo is different too. We don't have much option for this extra deck, so you need to be careful, especially to use this Promethean Princess. So see you at the next one.